Last time I was at Dollar General, you guys absolutely loved this video for the fall, so I had to come back for Christmas. We're gonna go in, I'm gonna show you all the new Christmas items, and of course get a few things to DIY. $20. It's like a light up, what do you call those? Advent calendar. I think that's really cute. This one's priced at $5. I want to thank Real Eats for sponsoring this video. Real Eats is my kind of meal service. You can have a meal prepared in 6 minutes. So on Real Eats website, you can totally customize your meals for whatever you like. They have over 16,000 plus combinations of meals that you can try. Today, I'm gonna be cooking the cilantro lime chicken. All of their meals are chef prepared, 100% of them, and they take less than 6 minutes to cook. On your container, it shows you how long you're gonna cook each meal and the amount of time. So all 3 containers are going into the boiling water, and I'm setting my timer for 6 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, time to take out the potatoes and the corn. I'm gonna let the chicken continue to cook for another 3 minutes. Time to take out the chicken, it's been 6 minutes. I love that there's no preservatives or processing, just farm fresh ingredients. And it tastes amazing. I'm gonna put the link to Real Eats down in the description box, so go check it out. They have tree collars in red, and then they also have like this white wicker one back here if you're needing one. I think the one I bought at Walmart was around $30, so this is a better price. Okay, I absolutely love these glass canisters. They're $5, or they have these little cork toppers. These would be so cute if you put like 3 of them out. Now they're not Christmassy, but really cute. How cute are these for organizing and labeling? This would be perfect to put like a label on the front. I found the best item here. Let me show you these adorable jars they have out this year, and I hope they come across on camera. So they are like round mason jars. They're priced at $3. They have red and then the green lids. They come with a tag, and then they have these gorgeous snowflakes on them. These are gonna be perfect for DIY gifts. They also have mason jars with the snowflakes on them, and then the cute lids. These are only $2, you guys. They also have this one that says Candy King. They also have the smaller version that are only $1. If you give mason jar gifts, these are so cute. You need to run to Dollar General and pick these up. So I'm going to start by removing the labels and just addressing them to who I'm going to be giving the gift to. You've probably guessed already that I'm going to make these a little pedicure kits, but really you could put anything in these jars. I'm going to remove the lids, and then I'm going to start by filling the bottom of them with cotton balls. I'm going to fill it up about 1/3 of the way. Next, I found these really fun nail polishes at Ulta on clearance, so I'm going to put 2 of those in each of my containers. I'm also going to add in an EOS lip gloss that I know my girls are going to love, and then just put the lids back on, and it's an easy 5-minute gift that you can give this year. Ooh, that is a cute rug. $5. Oh. It's not Christmassy, but cute. I could definitely use it. One of my favorite things at Dollar General are all of their pillows. I know they're gonna have some great ones for Christmas, so let's see what we can find. They definitely have a lot that are great for the home. This is $10 and they have more textures for winter. They have like these faux fur ones. That one's $10. And then in the grays as well, they have black ones. This one's really cute too. This like black and white one for $10. That's a great deal. They also have several throws down here that are priced between like $12 and $15. This is stuff that you would pick up at Home Goods, but way cheaper. Oh, that's a long pillow. How much are these? $12? That's a good deal if you need, like, maybe you want on your bed, like a long pillow like that. That's a great deal. And it's really soft. Oh, they have a truck. $8 rugs. Throw blankets that have the little pom-poms already on them. I made one of these one year. $12. They have it in white, red, or black.
All right, you guys, stick with me on this DIY because I was kind of experimenting here. So I started by cutting this blanket. I wanted to create some fabric trees. So I got a square, folded it in half, and then just started free-forming a tree. I wasn't prepared for how much shedding this was going to do. I ended up having this all over my dress. Next, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but this time I'm going to make my tree a little bit larger. Then I'm gonna cut out squares to put behind the trees that I already cut out. This is gonna be the backing piece. I grabbed some wooden dowels that I already had on hand. These are from Walmart. With the first one, I made a little mistake. You want to glue your dowel all the way to where the top of your tree is going to be, just to make it really supportive. Next, I hot glued the edges of my tree. Then I found some fabric filler. I'm using one that I had over from a leftover pillow, but you could use anything. And I'm just gonna start stuffing the inside of my tree. I'm not gonna put a ton of stuffing in there. Then I'm gonna continue hot gluing it all the way until my tree is closed. Next, I'm gonna cut off that backing piece to make sure it lines up with the front portion of my tree. Then you can just do your best to try to even out the edges and make it look as nice as possible. Now to have these stand up, I had this package of wood pieces. I'm just going to hot glue and also use like a construction style adhesive glue on the bottom of these to make them hold really well. With the little pom-poms that came in the package, I cut one down so it wasn't as big, and I'm just gonna hot glue it to the top. Now I'm gonna move on to my little tree and make this one a little bit different. So I learned with this one to put this wood dowel all the way to the top of my tree. I'll hot glue down at the bottom and then a little bit on the edges. I'll start stuffing in and then continue with hot gluing along the edges. Now I'm going to repeat these same steps, just cutting around the edges, doing my best to make it as nice as possible. Then I wanted to make it a little bit different, so I took those pom-poms and just hot glued them to the front. And again, I'm going to add this to a wood piece. Now I did come in with my lighter where the edges were a little frayed, just to kind of make them look a little bit more finished. Here's how these two fabric trees turned out from one throw blanket. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future.
We found a few decorative pillows. It's a little flat. Honestly, it would be great for sitting on a chair. They have different variations of that pillow. I wish they had a little bit more stuffing in them. I also found these little risers. They're $5. You can use them to elevate your decor. See? This is really cute, and this mercury glass is really popular this year, and it looks like it lights up. Oh, cute. All right, I have an idea for these ornaments. I really like all of these trees. The bigger ones are only $3, the small are $1. I'm not a fan of the pink, but that's okay. We're gonna take care of that, and I'll show you how I style them.
So with these bells, I'm going to be creating a garland. I have this product I've really been loving lately called Rub and Buff, and I love it because you can really create like antique gold looks. So I went in with one color. I'm just going to use a foam brush to dab it all over my ornament. The first color that I used, I decided was a little too coppery, so I changed up the Rub and Buff color. I actually have 6 different colors, and I'm going to link them down in the description box for you if you guys want to pick them up, but they're just great. You just tap it all the way over and they dry fairly quickly as well. Then I'm going to use a skinny twine that I had. I'm going to start lacing it through my bells. At about every 6-inch mark, I'm going to add a bell and then I'm going to tie it in place. That way it stays in place because I wanted there to be separation between these bells. And I'm just going to add on the 3 packs that I purchased at Dollar General to the garland. These are great for hanging on your mantle, adding a little bit something extra to your coffee table or a shelf. I want to show you how I would style this. So I'm going to take these pink trees, and where the tree is pink, I'm going to add like this ivory kind of beigeish color, just to make them fit in more with my decor. I love the way the green ones look, but these I wanted to be kind of a cream and white color. I'm gonna leave the white exactly the way it is. And you could see here, I styled them with the green trees and hung up the garland.
So they have these really cute, trendy bows for $1. I love this one with like the craft paper. They have it in red and then kind of like these like holly leaves. I would probably pick up this one. I think that one would be really pretty. And you could put it with like red paper or white. Honestly, so many different options with that one. These are really cute. They're little mini tin mailboxes. They have a little flag on them and they're for gift cards. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these for giving to teachers for Christmas. Gnomes are super popular this year. Dish towels are $2. These little mini mitts are really cute. I love this one in the camper. If you guys love seeing home decor DIY videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, these, how much are these? $3? That smells good. They have this one, this Holly and Jolly, Joy to the World. And then they have this one that says, Let It Snow. Which one would you go with? Green or cream? Or wait, no, which one would you go with? Holly or Joy? You guys, they have packs of ribbon at Dollar General for $5. I like this one and I like this one. The cool thing about packs of ribbon is you know that all the ribbon is gonna coordinate. All kinds of wrapping paper this year. Ooh, I like this. I'm really kind of into this plaid look this year. So I love the look of this box. Like I love this pattern. This box is $3.50. I'm gonna change up the top and show you how you can use these boxes and make them look really high end. This one's $3.50.
I wanted to show you guys a quick way that you could really transform your packaging while using the boxes that you can purchase at Dollar General or other stores. So I love the green box. I'm not going to do anything to that, but I picked up some of this craft paper. You can buy craft paper really inexpensively, and I'm simply going to cut out a piece that's going to fit over the top of my lid. Now I love craft paper because it's just a really neutral finish and you can dress it up with any color ribbon that you like. I'm going to remove the ribbon that was already on the box, and I'm going to start by hot gluing one edge, making sure that I crease the paper down so it looks really nice. And I'll repeat that on the other side. On my edges, I'm going to fold that in and cut off any excess paper, and again hot glue that down, and I'll repeat those steps on the other side as well. That's all you need to do to the lid. I'm going to put the lid back on, and then to finish it off, get a high quality ribbon that has wire in it. This one is from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to hot glue it to the bottom and go up and around. That's just going to save me on some ribbon. And then I'm going to take another piece of ribbon and tie a bow on the front. I think the green ribbon just really complements the trees on the box. And here's the finished gift. It took me maybe 3 or 4 minutes to put together.
They have their gingerbread kits priced at $10. I think that's a great deal. They have the gingerbread house, and then they have the little village. I also love that they have the kid craft activities for $1. That competes with Dollar Tree. They have this little one you can put together. You get 3 in there. And then my kids love these, so I'm gonna grab some of these. For $3, they have this ornament activity kit where you can put together the foam pieces. I think that's a pretty good deal. We'll get that too. More $1 ribbon. This is the type of snow that I spray on all of my little Dollar Tree trees. They have it here for $2. So most of the Dollar General ornaments are around $1. I'm gonna show you some of my favorites. Bell, super cute. This little Noel one is really cute as well. I love a good pine cone. These are a pack of 12 for $1. These party plates they have out this year are really cute, you guys, if you need disposable party items. You guys, these are great for the holidays. They have them here for $2. Cute rugs for $5. They have the buffalo check and then this plaid. I've been loving this plaid this year, the red and green. They have these glass containers. These are priced at $3, and then they have smaller ones that are $2. You can get them with the truck on them. These are just so cute.
I could not pass up these containers. They were so cute, I had to grab them. So I want these to be displayed because I really love the way these jars look. So I'm gonna start by adding in some Epsom salt. You can use faux snow or salt or anything. I just love the way Epsom salt kind of gives that appearance of faux snow. Now at first I thought I was gonna put these ornaments in here, but they were way too big. So I kind of had to adjust what I was doing. That was a fail. So I added in a little bit more Epsom salt. Then I had these red berries. So I started to just kind of cut them apart and put them on the top. I love how that brought in a little red color. Next, I wanted to put some greenery picks in here. I've been using and cutting off from this little greenery pick I have from Hobby Lobby all Christmas season. I'm just gonna cut a few of these off and set them into the container. I also have some other sprigs I've been pulling from Hobby Lobby that I'm gonna put in as well. Now, I didn't like the way that looked. I felt like I needed a little bit of red up top. So I pulled off berries and then just lightly set them in there. I could have gone out and purchased some more berry picks, but I knew this was going to get the job done, and it just helped to carry some of that red up into the greenery. And here's how they turned out. I love these and I think they'll be perfect to sit out for Christmas.
They have these baking ceramic items. This one is $10, and then the pie tin is $5. I love these. These are great to put little snacks in for Christmas.
Ooh, that's nice.
$6, 7-piece storage. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be shopping at Dollar General for Christmas this year, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.